Hello, my name is Jacky and today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet and sour tart. For this recipe you will need the following: 2 juice of lime, custard powder, milk, condensed milk, tennis biscuit, butter and a little bit of sugar. Step 1 is I'm going to crush the tennis biscuit and then mix it with the melted butter. Step 2 is I'm going to mix the juice of the 2 lime with the condensed milk. And step 3 is I'm going to make a custard with the custard powder and the milk. After crushing the biscuit, I'm going to mix it with the 100 gram melted butter. The following is to show you how to create the base of the tart. Now I'm going to make the custard, and for the custard I'm going to take the 2 cups of milk and start bringing it up to a boil, and I'm going to mix with a little bit milk the custard with the sugar. Now I'm going to mix 3 tablespoons of custard powder with 3 tablespoons of sugar and 50 ml milk together. Once the milk starts cooking, I'm going to put the powder mixture into the milk to make my custard. After 3 minutes cooking, the custard is ready. Now I'm going to take my ready custard and pour it onto my base, and on top of that I'm going to take my condensed milk mixture and put it on top of the custard, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer for 1 hour.